Do you often encounter this type of shot when playing the last ball? Hitting soft, avoiding a scratch on the corner pocket always and like this. And also this. Here are useful shots to master to always win the game. First, top left spin for top right side corner pocket with medium phase stroke. Roll stun shot slightly above center for a bank. Low left spin with medium phase to allow the cue ball to double kiss the object ball potting into the side left. Pocket. This shot is very difficult to execute. Stun shot for the bottom left corner pocket. I adjusted the cue ball slightly forward to show how low you should hit the cue ball. Top right spin for the bottom right pocket with a soft phase. And lastly, top spin with a touch of soft phase stroke onto the right side pocket. If you like this, follow for more. Thanks for watching.